Now let me place an order and see the magic further. So here I'm going to buy this product named as Blur's Affair cord set, and here I'm going to just click over this buy it now, and we will be landed to the checkout page, which I'm going to fill right now. So right here I have filled this checkout page, providing the email address, first name, last name, and here you can check out the payment or the card details. Now let's click over this pay now button for making the payment, and here you can see that my payment has been successful and an order is placed. Now a WhatsApp message might be sent to this customer. So now let's move on towards the WhatsApp and check for it. So right here I'm on my WhatsApp, where you can see that I'm successfully receiving this WhatsApp message which says, "Hi demo user, your order has been successfully placed." And here I'm getting the total amount, and here you can see the item which I have just bought, that is Blur's Affair cord set. So you can see that an order confirmation message is sent to my user as soon as my user has placed the order. So now you can also create this automation for instantly notifying your customer and connecting them with your business. And this will make your customers experience better and help you to grow your business and make your business process faster and smoother. So now you can also use this amazing automation tool Pabbly Connect for integrating many amazing applications of your business. So now let me show you how you can do it. So for that, you have to move towards the workflow page of Pabbly Connect with me. So right here I'm on the workflow page of Pabbly Connect, which you can get by typing its URL over the new tab, that is pabbly.com/connect. And once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page, where you will be getting two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user, then you have to sign up for free, and Pabbly Connect is currently offering the free trial, so you can try it for freely now. And if you are an existing user, then you have to click over this sign in. And if you like this automation and want to create it for your business too, then I have bought this amazing offer for you. So right on the screen you can see this discount coupon code, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on yearly and lifetime subscription plans of Pabbly. And this coupon code is going to provide you the huge discount compared to other coupon codes. So make sure to use it. And now let's move on towards the workflow page, where we are getting this option for adding the trigger. So right here I'm going to select my trigger application as Shopify, as I want to initiate this workflow as soon as I receive a new order over my Shopify. So right here I'm going to select this application. Now let's select the app event as new order. Now let's click over this connect button, and right here we are getting this webhook URL, so I'm going to copy it. And now let's move on towards my Shopify account, so that we can add this webhook URL over here and build the connection between Shopify and Pabbly Connect, so that we can fetch the order details. So right here on my Shopify account, where on the sidebar we are getting this option for settings, which you have to select. And right here we are on this page, where you just have to select this option of notifications, and you will be landed to the notifications page, where we are getting this option for adding the webhook, which I'm going to select. And now here I'm going to create a new webhook by simply selecting this create webhook. Now let's select the event as order creation, as I want to initiate this workflow as soon as a new order is created. Now let's add the webhook URL which we have just received and save it. And right here you can see that my webhook has been added successfully. Now in my Pabbly Connect, it is waiting for the webhook response. So now let's place a new order and provide the webhook response. So here I'm going to buy this product named as butterfly necklace. So as I have clicked over this buy it now, I'm on this checkout page, which I'm going to fill. So right here I have filled this checkout page, providing the email, first name, last name, and right here I have provided all the payment details. Now let's click over this pay now button, and here you can see that my payment has been successful. Now let's move on towards the Pabbly Connect to check whether we are receiving this order detail over there or not. So right here I'm on my Pabbly Connect, where you can see 7 seconds ago we have received this response, and this response consists of all the details. And here you can check out the total pricing, tax, and the pricing of the product too. And here you can see the details of the user which has just bought this product, including its address, phone number, and all the rest of the details. So now as soon as someone will place the order over my Shopify store, the data will be automatically captured by Pabbly Connect. And now I'm going to send a WhatsApp message to my this particular lead regarding their order. So here for that I'm going to use my another application provided by Pabbly, that is Pabbly Chatflow, by using which we can send WhatsApp messages, can create WhatsApp chatbots and AI assistant, which is going to automate all the manual conversation between the customer and the business. So now here I'm going to select this application. Now let's select the app event as send text message. Now let's click over this connect button, and right here we are on the connection page, where for building a new connection we have to enter the token. So here on my all Pabbly apps page, you can see we are getting this application named as Pabbly Chatflow, which we have to access. So I'm going to just click over this access now button. And right here we are on my dashboard page of Pabbly Chatflow, where on the settings we are getting this option for API and webhooks, which we have to select. And here you can see that we are getting this API which we have to enter over the Pabbly Connect, and the connection will be built in and you can send WhatsApp messages. So here I have entered the token. Now let's save it, and here you can see that my connection has been built in and we are getting all these fields. So the first field we are getting for entering the recipient WhatsApp mobile number. So now you might be thinking that I'm going to manually type it like this. But no, here I'm going to perform a method provided by Pabbly Connect, that is mapping. So mapping is basically inserting the data from the previous step so that you don't have to enter your values again and again, as mapping makes the field dynamic. So here I'm going to map all these fields from the response which I'm receiving from Shopify, as this is my previous application. And the process is simple. You just have to select the field and the slash symbol. And right here we are getting a previous application, that is Shopify. So from here I'm going to map the mobile number of the user which my user has filled. So here I have entered it, and now it is asking me to enter the WhatsApp message which I want to send to my user. So now let's enter it. So right here you can see that this is the message which I'm going to send to my user, and here after this word hi I'm going to enter the name of the user. So for that again I'm going to map this using the response of the Shopify. So right here I'm going to search for the name of the user. So right here we are getting this name which I'm going to map, and right after this word total amount I'm going to map the amount of the order. So right here you can see this is the total price, and now let's map the name of the item bought by my user. So here I'm going to search for the item, and here you can see we are getting the name of the item which I have just entered. And now here you can even map the contact's full name too. And here we are receiving all these fields which are not necessary, but for this field, that is recipient's WhatsApp mobile number, I'm going to replace this mobile number with my phone number so that I can show you the response which I'm receiving, as this was just the dummy number. So here I have entered my mobile number. Now we just have to click over the save and send test request. And here you can see that we are receiving this positive response which demonstrates that a WhatsApp message might be sent. So now let's move on towards my WhatsApp and check for it. So right here I'm on my WhatsApp, where you can see that I'm successfully receiving this message which says hi smart user, your order has been successfully placed. And right here I'm getting the order summary containing the amount of the order and the item which I've just bought. So now you have seen that by using this automation I can simply send an order confirmation message to my customer. So by using this automation, you can also send WhatsApp messages to your customers. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Connect now. And I have provided the link of the workflow which I have just created in the description box. So make sure to check it out. And don't forget to use the coupon code STUYT, as this is going to provide you the huge discount. So thank you for watching this video.
Not only this integration, you can build many more amazing automations like this by just using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to explore pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then like, share and subscribe our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.